Today I'm going to show you the solution to the key lock puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. So press on play. And this puzzle is inside level 43, so I'll tap on 43. And before you can solve this puzzle, you must have collected the screwdriver and that piece of metal. So once you've done that, then you tap on the door, and that reveals that that key lock. So the first thing to do is to tap on the screwdriver and put that into the lock, and then the piece of metal goes in there next, and you're going to open the lock with the screwdriver and the piece of metal. So I'll tap on that that lock, play this game. And what you have to do is to get all those 5 chambers above that grey line at the same time. And to do that, you've just got to work out which are the slow chambers and which are the fast ones. So you can see there that those first 2 are quite slow. The middle one is quite fast, and that one there is sort of medium speed, and that one there is medium speed as well. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is tap on the 2 slow ones first, the 2 mediums, and then the fast one, and hopefully they'll all be above the grey line at the same time, and that will open the lock and solve this puzzle. So let's see how I go. There we go, they're all above the grey line. Happened pretty quickly, but the door's open and the puzzle has been solved. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.